ओके, रिकॉर्डिंग स्टार्ट कर दिए। ये मिस्टर अभिजीत दास पटनायक पता नहीं क्या भरतनाट्यम कर रहे हैं अपना। तो चलो, नमस्कार सबको, और ईट स्लीप ड्रिंक क्रिकेट में सबका स्वागत है। और हमारे रेगुलर पैनलिस्ट मिस्टर अभिजीत दास पटनायक। एक्चुअली जैसे आपकी शक्ल है ना, वैसे मतलब लगता है कि बॉइल्ड एग बुलाते हैं। ये इतना तो
छिला हुआ
मैं
अंडा।
मैं इस बात पे किसी को चिढ़ा नहीं सकता, क्योंकि मैं भी उसी रेंज में जा रहा हूँ। और
नहीं नहीं,
भास्कर जो
छिला क्यों नहीं
हमारे
सकता,
रिची
बिल्कुल
बेनोड
छिला
हैं, जो
सकता है।
जिनके साथ
मैं
मेरा
तुम
एक
दोनों
हफ्ते
को।
से
हाँ।
पंगा चल रहा है व्हाट्सएप पे, क्योंकि वो जो बोलते हैं मैं उसका उल्टा ही सोच रहा हूँ। तो अब क्यों सोच रहे हैं उसका तो पता नहीं, वो शायद इस पॉडकास्ट में पता चलेगा कि हम, मैं और भास्कर एक एक व्यू पॉइंट पे क्यों नहीं आ रहे करके। तो मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, मैं बड़ा स्मार्टली खेल रहा हूँ। जहां अभिजीत कुछ भी बोलते हैं मैं उनको हाँ सही है करके बोल रहा हूँ, तो मेरी टीम में मेरे पक्ष में कोई एक रहेगा करके ऐसा कर दे रहा हूँ मैं। ठीक है, एनीवे, सो आज का टॉपिक बहुत ही सिंपल है, और मतलब सब ये छोटे मोटे मैचेस बायलैटरल सब खत्म हो गए हैं। अब सब वी आर ऑल गोइंग टुवर्ड्स चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी, तो हम उसके बारे में बात करेंगे। इंडियन टीम हाउ इज इट गोइंग, उसका प्रिपरेशन का बात करेंगे। एक्सपेक्टेशन दोनों ही लोगों से ये है कि अपनी पूरी व्हाट्सएप चैट को यहाँ पे लेके ना आए, क्योंकि फिर अगर वैसा करेंगे तो हमें 12 घंटे का शो करना पड़ेगा। 12 घंटे शो नहीं कर सकते, तो कम बोले। और लास्ट में ये बोलेंगे कि लास्ट विल सी कि हमारा टॉप फोर कौन है करके। तो मैच जब टॉप फोर के लिए वी हैव टू गिव सम टाइम। ठीक है, तो 10 मिनट लास्ट टाइम मैच उसी के लिए रखेंगे। तो भास्कर, क्योंकि वो अभी बिल्कुल स्मार्ट होके ब्लेजर वेजर पहन के आए हैं, तो पहला उन्हीं को विल गिव द फर्स्ट थिंग टू हिम कि वो बात करेंगे। तो चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी मतलब स्क्वाड्स तो हो गया। आई थिंक आई विल टेक अप द पॉइंट ऑफ अदर स्क्वाड्स व्हाट आई फील। बट आप जनरली यू कैन टेक द स्क्वाड ऑफ इंडिया एंड टॉक अबाउट इट कि आप क्या सोचते हैं, एंड यू कैन ऑल्सो कमेंट ऑन द अदर स्क्वाड्स ऑल्सो ऑन whom you feel gungo about। बात करें।
Fine. Yeah. So I think right now I'm just 15 kilometers away from the stadium where Kuldeep Yadav made his test debut. So that's where I am right now. Okay.
किसका किसका डेब्यू?
Kuldeep Yadav made his test debut.
धर्मशाला के पास हैं आप?
Just 15 kilometers away from Dharamshala Stadium. I'm in Kangra right now.
ओके।
क्या बात है।
इसीलिए थोड़ा
इट्स अ
ब्लेजर और शर्ट।
ब्यूटीफुल स्टेडियम। इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल स्टेडियम।
Okay, so I think Indian squad, I think more or less, अभी तो we know what the squad is. Of course, we're going to miss Bumrah. But for that, I think एक weakness I've been saying this for the last so many years, वो है थोड़ा that 4, 5, 6 position we are still not वहां पर थोड़ा सा weakness. It's always been there for the last so many years. And वो weakness को हम cover करने के लिए we keep trying juggling around. वो हम इतने सालों से try कर रहे हैं, but we have still not found a reliable 4, 5, 6. We're still 100% sure नहीं है कि ये लोग ही रहने वाले हैं. Because even before the first match, I think they were planning to play Virat Kohli at 4 and then Shreyas played at 4. They played this World Cup, but still KL Rahul is the only one. I think number 5. I think it should be given to him. उसमें कुछ भी there should not be any changes because he has learned to play the situation. वो मैंने देखा है in ODI cricket. He has at least one of the players who's tried to play to the situation and कैसे अगर chase कर रहे हैं, अगर batting first कर रहे हैं, we lose early wickets. I think that's something which should not be disturbed. But for that, I think more or less we have a very good team. It's just about winning those big games. Rajiv.
ओके, सो ओके, अभिजीत, आपका एक व्यू पॉइंट था आपका, मतलब मैं और आपका एक फोन कॉल पे वी जस्ट हैड स्पोकन अबाउट इट। आपने बोला, आई थिंक यू आर वेरी राइट व्हेन यू मेंशन द फैक्ट दैट यू नो एक्चुअली अपना स्क्वाड को टेंशन ही नहीं है, बैटिंग अच्छा होता है। एंड इट इज नॉट अबाउट टुडे, एक डिकेट से ही सब कुछ सही है। इट इज अबाउट दैट सेमीफाइनल मैच और दैट नॉकआउट मैच व्हेन 1 2 3 का प्रॉब्लम है। ये तो आप 4 5 6 की बात कर रहे हैं। 1 2 3 का प्रॉब्लम हो जाता है उस एक नॉकआउट मैच में। अदरवाइज वी आर ऑलवेज देयर इन द टॉप, राइट? Except the Dubai ICC tournament where we had a very squad, the entire thing was a squad, but anyway, so otherwise in ICC tournaments हमारा कोई टेंशन ही नहीं है, हम निकल जाते हैं, मतलब जो राउंड रॉबिन है वहां से निकल जाते हैं। बट नॉकआउट पे 1 2 3 सफर्स, विच सफर्ड इन अहमदाबाद ऑल्सो।
या
इट सफर्ड इन बारबाडोस ऑल्सो, बट बचा लिया गया है बिकॉज वन
ट्रू ट्रू
वन जो नंबर वन था वो उसने बचा लिया, राइट? सो आप उस पे,
ट्रू।
सो कंटिन्यू फ्रॉम देयर। आई डोंट, मतलब ये सब आप ही के पॉइंट्स हैं, तो आप
सो
कंटिन्यू करें।
in fact, I sent you all the odds also. If you see the bookies' favorites for Champions Trophy, India are way ahead of the rest because since Australia have a few injuries, now the gap between, I think, second favorite Australia है, third favorite England है. So imagine first favorite India है, third favorite England है. India और England के बीच 6-1 का स्कोर लाइन हुआ था recently. So between India and rest of the squads भी gap बहुत ज्यादा बढ़ गया है. And the fact that Australia are losing, Australia have quite a few people injured or opting out not to play, it means India are out and out favorites. This is a tournament for India to lose. But then, everybody says that, we have a great bench. Yes, we have a great bench, but we had a great bench in Australia also. In India and Australia had a better bench than the Australian team. We had Australian team the batting was out of form, the bowling was aging. We had everything to win in Australia. But हम क्यों नहीं जीत पाए? Only for one reason. Our top three failed. And every other day we were falling 40 for 3. That is the only problem we have in our cricket, maybe for the last 7-8 years. And that's probably the biggest problem we have in our cricket currently. If you see the key matches where we have lost, even in white ball, all the white ball we have dominated and we won. But come a major game, हमारा top 3 का ये होता. Without that, अगर आप सोचोगे, our catching statistically is the best in the sport. We catch the best in the sport. Our running between wickets is very good. Our fielders hardly miss field. हमारा bowling attack में जो variety है, किसी के bowling attack में variety नहीं है. I mean, I know Bumrah is not there, but I'm not very sure we will be missing Bumrah because one is the nature of pitches. Second of all, Harshit Rana has come, and every other match, Harshit Rana he's not taking wickets. He's taking wickets in 1 over, breaking the back of an opposition attack, opposition batting line. He takes only blue chip wickets, the top order wickets. So we didn't miss Bumrah during the 6-1 annihilation of England. Not England, the baseball England team. So India are very well placed to do very well. But for that, there will be one day coming where our top order will flop. And we know that historically, Dubai has not been a great hunting ground for us. I think we won a Asia Cup in 84. I think Bhaskar is the historian out here. He will correct me. Apart from that, I don't recall us winning anything in Dubai. We have had a lot of heartbreaks. The Australian Asia Cup.
18.
Sorry? 2018.
2018 under Rohit Sharma's captaincy.
Yeah,
we won.
We won one more Asia Cup in UAE in 1995. So we won 3 Asia Cup in
नहीं,
UAE,
why
but
I'm
they
bringing
were Sharjah.
हाँ,
They
लेकिन
were all in
2018
Sharjah.
में दुबई में जीता है.
2018 it was in Dubai, yes.
दुबई में जीता.
Okay. So that is the pain point. This the nature. I don't have any problem with the team selection, the squad selection, because after the first 3 games, the pitches will wear out. They will assist. Dubai traditionally assists spin a lot, but Dubai has one problem, which we saw in the T20 2021 T20 World Cup, is that it was a very toss dependent. In that entire tournament, any decent team who won the toss chose to chase and chased successfully. There was not a single match where a decent team won the toss, chose to chase and lost. There was not a single match. So that tournament was actually a rubbish tournament. It was completely toss होता था, हमें पता था कौन जीतने वाला है match. That I hope it doesn't happen this time, and I hope they've taken some measures to take out the dew of the equation. Rajiv.
तो मैं आपको एक चीज बता रहा हूँ, एक स्टैट टाइप दे रहा हूँ आपको कि even the 2018 tournament which we won was also one where the chasing team had a bigger advantage. So the 2 matches against Pakistan we won, we chased and we won. And even so, there's one match we played against Hong Kong. उसमें इंडिया ने पहला बैटिंग किया and we almost lost the match. हांगकांग के साथ. हांगकांग के साथ एक मैच था जिसमें धवन made a century. We almost lost the match, and Hong Kong just because they did not know how to close a match, they lost. Otherwise, वो match जाता था हाथ से. But you're right. One of the thing is the pitches tend to get very slow towards the end, and Afghanistan pulled off a tie against in the same tournament, and Bangladesh के साथ जो हम final जीते, we won chasing, but we won in the last ball of the tournament. Last ball of the match we lost. Final जीते हम लोग.
Kedar Jadhav hit a boundary.
Kedar Jadhav hit the boundary. So yeah, you're right. Okay. So pretty good analysis. I think आप सही कह रहे हो. आप दोनों का ही बातें मैं बिल्कुल मान के चल रहा हूँ कि 4-5-6 is not the, and उसका एक रीजन है. 4-5-6 हमारा एक ही टाइप का नहीं है. 1-2-3 is a more सेटल्ड काइंड ऑफ थिंग। बायलैटरल्स में 1 2 3 कुछ ना कुछ करके 100 मार ही देता है। बट वन थिंग इज, भास्कर, आपने कहा कि राहुल को 5 पे खिलाओ बिकॉज इज देयर टू डू द जॉब एंड ऑल, but I think they are going to get the left-hander, which is Akshar Patel as of now, and that is why I put this question also: कि will Rishabh Pant come in? Rishabh Pant comes only if KL Rahul is not playing. He will not. He can't replace Shreyas Iyer. He can't replace Akshar or any other all-rounder. वो तभी होगा जब इंजरी होगा। बट अगर
Okay,
इंजरी के
my
बिना,
point is,
नहीं, आप सुन लीजिए
my only
क्वेश्चन को, सुन
point is,
लीजिए, सुन लीजिए
yeah,
क्वेश्चन।
yeah, please, yeah, go
Yeah,
ahead, yeah.
yeah. So that is one option which is there, because what happens is आपका 5 पे भी लेफ्ट हैंडर आ जाता है, 7 पे भी अक्षर पटेल लेफ्ट हैंडर आ जाता है। I'm keeping जडेजा एंड हर्षित राणा विल जस्ट चिप इन रन्स एट द एंड, बट वो उनका कोई खास रोल नहीं रहेगा। 7 तक ही जो है वो बैटर है। सो 8th बैटर इज जस्ट दैट क्वेश्चन जो जिसने हमें बारबाडोस, द डिफरेंस बिटवीन अहमदाबाद नवंबर 19 एंड जून बारबाडोस वाज दैट 8th बैटर।
True,
Just
true.
that was a big difference. That is the only difference which was there. So the question is that, will you play Rishabh Pant? I can put the squad for you. Or one more news which is coming is that Jaiswal is not available. So वो जो non-traveling reserve जो भी कह लें, उस पे they can replace somebody, and you mentioned ऋतुराज, मतलब you can take on from here कि आप क्या सोचते हैं उसके बारे में?
Yeah, I just mentioned Ruturaj, but if you see, I think Sanju Samson scored 100 in his last ODI. So probably Sanju Samson also is one of the possibilities to replace Yashasvi Jaiswal in the reserve. But I think we shouldn't look at the reserve right now. We want everybody to be fit. But the one more news that's come in is Rishabh Pant has taken a blow on his knee. तो थोड़ा सा उसको वहां पर पेन है, so there's some minor injury scare. So again, if they want a backup wicketkeeper also and also an opening batsman, they might go for Sanju Samson. But I think the thing we are playing top four are right-handers. So एक सिर्फ एक number five के लिए you don't need a left hand right hand combination, right? You know, it's not like we have a number three who's a left-hander, number five is a left-hander. So just top because we need a left-hander. उसके वजह से अक्षर पटेल को number five पे भेजना. If you see the last ODI game, they did promote Rahul to number five, back to his the spot which he wants to play at. So I think there is every possibility that Rahul will bat at five because he's got such a brilliant record. We forget that Rahul has almost a test ODI average of close to 50, 47, 48, and at five he averages even better. And that's where he had learned to play those closing innings, those crucial knock. Even in the World Cup final, if you remember, his knock of 60 was the highest. And at the time when he came in, if he had lost one more or two more wickets, I think there was no chance we wouldn't even have put up a fight. So I think he played a very important knock in the World Cup final. If Kohli had scored 100, Rahul's innings would have looked like a brilliant supporting knock. Because Kohli fell at 50 and then the others could not contribute. So इसके लिए that innings is not remembered. But that innings was very vital. So I think number 5, KL Rahul has to play. मुझे लगता है कि I think he's been there, he's been playing. He's been India's number one wicketkeeper batsman. Just during the Champions Trophy, अभी पंत को लेना है, I don't think it's the right way to go. If Pant had played a couple of innings and अभी उसको ODI में खिलाया होता, I can understand. But now since Rahul has played up till now, he played very well in the World Cup, and where we just went to the final, we won all the games. So I think Rahul should be there. Pant, if they want, probably let's wait and watch. They might get in another batsman in place of Akshar or Jadeja. I don't know how it goes. If we are not going to use Akshar Patel's bowling enough, अक्षर पटेल अगर बॉलिंग ही नहीं करने वाला है तो प्रॉब्ली व्हाई नॉट गो विद पंत. तो वो तो ऑप्शन है ही अपने पास. बट बिकॉज हार्दिक कैन नॉट बोल 10 overs, then you need that अक्षर पटेल बैकअप. सो वो सब रीजंस हैं. But I don't see Pant getting in right now. Only if somebody starts failing very badly, like KL Rahul or Shreyas Iyer really start failing, and then you might get a Pant coming in. Like even during the T20 World Cup in Australia, Dinesh Karthik was the first initial first choice keeper. Because he could not get the runs during just one game before the semi-finals, you had Pant coming in. So I think Pant will be a standby for the moment. Rajiv.
Okay, I mean, I'm in agreement with you. The only thing here is कि ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं मिलेगा. आप बांग्लादेश के साथ एक मैच खेल रहे हो. आई एक्सपेक्ट कि बांग्लादेश को इंडिया हराएगा. उसमें पुअर परफॉर्मेंसेस का उतना स्कोप होगा नहीं किसी के पास. तो बचे 2 मैच, न्यूजीलैंड और पाकिस्तान एंड न्यूजीलैंड. तो उसमें अगर कोई एक आध में फेल भी हो जाता तो सेमीफाइनल तो खेल ही लेगा, अगर इंडिया गोज टू द फाइनल तो। मतलब जो फर्स्ट मैच खेलेगा वही फाइनल भी खेलेगा, अगर जा रहा है इंडिया गोज टू दैट डिस्टेंस। बॉलिंग में, बॉलिंग डिसोजा, अभिजीत आप क्या देख रहे हैं, मतलब व्हाट इज द कॉम्बिनेशन यू आर लुकिंग एट?
So yeah, I'll just continue from where Bhaskar mentioned. See, इन्होंने जो 3 मैचेस खिलाया ना वर्सेस इंग्लैंड, दैट इज गोइंग टू बी देयर फाइनल 11. देयर इज अ रीजन व्हाई दे डिडंट प्ले पंत. दिस इज गोइंग टू बी देयर फाइनल 11. द ओनली जो ये है मूविंग है, एक है वरुण और कुलदीप. आई थिंक दैट दे विल डिसाइड डिपेंडिंग ऑन द ऑपोजिशन. बट वन थिंग दे हैव मेड इट वेरी क्लियर इज अक्षर पटेल इज अ फ्लोटर. इज नॉट गारंटेड अक्षर पटेल कौन से डाउन पे आएगा. It will be depending on a match situation. I think Gambhir and Rohit will take a call accordingly. The reason why KL came to bat a bit ahead in the third ODI, because he failed in the first two ODI. So they wanted him to have some time in the middle and take some runs, so that when we go into the city, he has some runs under his belt. So I think हमारा batting lineup settled है. Akshar Patel will remain the floater. I think if India are going great guns up to 40 overs, तब शायद अक्षर पटेल को उतारेगा भी नहीं वो. Let the right handers continue. But if there's a problem here, there, if there's early collapse, maybe they'll ask KL Rahul to come up. But if there's going normal, then Akshar Patel will come in just to negate some spinner bowling and all that. Because Akshar Patel will be required, and he may come in as a क्या बोले pinch hitter. He may come in as one जो एक end पकड़ के रखो. It's a good thing to, because we need a longer batting. If you see the structure, अभी हार्दिक पांड्या थोड़ा पीछे हो जाता है. When अक्षर पटेल comes there in between, हार्दिक पांड्या पीछे, बहुतों को लगेगा कि बस हार्दिक पांड्या is not being used. But what if we enter a scenario where we are having top order collapses? Then you'll need somebody to steady the innings, and then you want Pandya to come typically around the 35th over. तब तक ball wet हो जाएगा, ये वो conditions हो जाएगा, and then Pandya takes over from there. So I prefer this lineup than Pandya coming in the 25th over. Any day I will prefer Pandya coming in the 35th over or 40th over than coming in the 25th or the 20th over. So and Pandya is a very key figure. Let's make no mistake about it. Bad ball everywhere. बॉलिंग में ओके, इट्स 3 पेसर्स में से 2 खेलेंगे. ओके, हर्षित राणा, अर्शदीप सिंह एंड मोहम्मद शमी. आई हैव अ फीलिंग दे विल गंभीर विल स्टार्ट विद अर्शदीप एंड राणा. he trusts Rana a lot, and Rana has paid him back in that. Arshdeep gives a variety, so likely वो. बाकी तो हमारा स्पिनर्स पूरा सेटल्ड ही है. We have a battery of spinners out there. कुलदीप वर्सेस वरुण. आई थिंक देयर आर सम टीम्स, जैसे इंग्लैंड शायद वरुण का शक्ल देख के मैच हार जा रहा है आज के डेट पे. वो मतलब वो जस्ट बॉल लेकर ऐसी दाढ़ी को ऐसे करता है, इंग्लैंड तब तक हार चुका होता है. ब्रूक वुक से कुछ रन नहीं बना, बैट बॉल उनका लग नहीं रहा था यहाँ पे जब वरुण आ रहा था बॉलिंग करने के लिए. सो आई थिंक दैट दे डिपेंड ऑन द ऑपोजिशन कि किसके अगेंस्ट खेल रहा है. फर्स्ट मैच जो तुमने बोला, आई थिंक फर्स्ट मैच इज अ प्रैक्टिस गेम, सो वी शुडंट टेक दैट मैच सीरियसली. If India lose that practice game, India should come back. They should not bother playing Pakistan and New Zealand. No team, no decent team loses to Bangladesh. Okay, Bangladesh recently got beaten by West Indies in their own home. Beaten by West Indies, who I don't think even qualified for Champions Trophy. तो ये बांग्लादेश तो पहला अपना प्रैक्टिस मैच है. Then is a Pakistan match who are not in great shape. अभी भास्कर was telling about 4, 5, 6. पाकिस्तान का 4, 5, 6 कौन है, मुझे तो नाम भी नहीं मालूम है कौन है
नहीं
4, 5,
अपन,
6.
मैं स्क्वाड निकालता हूँ, मैं स्क्वाड निकालता हूँ, उसके बारे में
हाँ.
बात करते हैं।
So what I meant to say that they are in a poorer shape. उनका bowling is not going great guns. They have been spanked a lot recently. New Zealand is a half decent team, and we have a score to settle with New Zealand after the 0-3 series loss. Although our record versus New Zealand in ICC tournaments is very poor, apart from the last time we faced them in the 23 World Cup. So yeah, but all said and done, we will be in the semi-finals. There's no way I don't see India in the semi-finals.
So
Rajiv.
here is a good time to just transition ourselves from India to other squads. So I'm just bringing that up, and I'll tell you how we are going to speak about it. We're going to speak about the group which matters. I mean, for example, I'm not speaking about. So you can see the screen, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm not going to speak about Bangladesh and all. It doesnn't really matter उनका कौन रहे कौन ना रहे. It doesn't matter really. So I'm going with first on New Zealand. So जो दो ग्रुप में जो दो मेन दिग्गज हैं उनके साथ बात कर रहा हूँ. So New Zealand team is a gungo team. Let's not forget New Zealand also won the tri-series now between South Africa. So they won 3 games, 2 against Pakistan, 1 against South Africa. And the 2 games which they won, one Williamson got 100, and in one of the games, I think Glenn Phillips got a terrific 100. So मतलब उनका टीम सॉलिड है. So any I think they have a full, उनके पास सब कुछ है, बैटिंग तगड़ा है उनका. They're going to play. So remember one thing: New Zealand will play 2 games in Pakistan and 1 game in Dubai. So that's the problem they're going to face, because when they play India, they will be playing the first game in Dubai. Their other games are at Lahore and Rawalpindi. So उनके लिए मतलब वो कंडीशन सारे एक ही जैसे हैं, उनमें कोई खास डिफरेंस नहीं है. So anything, Bhaskar, Avijit on New Zealand?
Yeah, yeah,
अगर इंडिया
New
खेल रहा
Zealand
है
has
आप
got
क्या?
New Zealand has got a wonderful batting lineup. They can chase like high totals, but the bowling is poor. We know it. Even during the World Cup semi-finals, if you remember, they gave us a tough fight. They almost, because Shami bowled a brilliant spell, they fell apart. But looked like they can even get close to 398. So I think New Zealand ka bowling weak, and that's where we need to expose them. If we and we just need to hammer them so big that there's no chance for them to come and get those runs. And if we bowl first, I think we need to contain them to a reasonably good score, and then we can easily get whatever they set. So I don't think New Zealand are not a great defending team. If you see, except for the World Cup semi-final, जो India हार गया, New Zealand has always won those big games chasing against India, even in the ICC tournaments. So I'm talking specifically about ODI cricket. So I think we should beat New Zealand, especially in Dubai. I think, and especially after the 3-0, I think there's a lot of that's probably the worst loss I've ever seen in my cricketing,
True.
like
छोड़ दो. मैं
following cricket.
उस
So
दर्द
I
के
think
बारे
we
में.
need to give it back. We give it back, and I think we need to win that. I think we beat them in the World Cup semi-final. There's no reason why we can't hammer them again.
Yeah. So one disadvantage
Yeah,
जो
जी.
New Zealand have is that वो 2 मैच पाकिस्तान में खेल के दुबई में आएगा, which will be a slightly different condition, and India would have played 2 matches, so they know the conditions far better. So वो एक
And they
advantage इंडिया को रहेगा वो.
and they do not have Tim Saudi. They do not have Trent Bolt. So I think the bowling is slightly on the weaker side as
Yeah,
far as pace
they.
bowling is.
Yeah, so Will Rourke is bowling well, and then
Mhm.
बाकी मतलब they're just Matt
Lockie
Henry
Foot
is a,
there.
yeah. So they fill in, but ऐसा कोई खास नहीं है. Mitchell Santner is their captain, and but they're tough competitors. Like for example, Glenn Phillips तो वो तो बैटिंग करता है, बॉलिंग करता है, कीपिंग करता है, फील्डिंग करता है, पता नहीं क्या क्या कर लेता वो. And then you have
Mhm.
Rachin Ravindra also. See, the one thing different between India and the teams like New Zealand is they are ready to do every skill. मतलब रचिन रविंद्रा 3 ओवर भी डालने लायक रहेगा तो वो 3 ओवर डाल देगा. वो 3 ओवर डाल देगा. यहाँ पे अपने यहाँ पे बंदे को बॉलिंग आता भी रहेगा तो वो 1 ओवर भी डालने को तैयार नहीं है. सो वो एक बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है, बट ठीक है. मतलब आई थिंक इंडिया गोज एज फेवरेट्स अगेंस्ट न्यूजीलैंड, ये मैं भी मानता हूँ. नाउ लेट्स कम टू दैट मार्की मैच विच इज 23rd Feb को, जो इसके साथ हो रहा है अपना पाकिस्तान के साथ. सो अभिजीत, आप मतलब स्क्वाड देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे. सो आई जस्ट
Right.
गिव अ फ्लेवर टू दिस वन. द होल थिंग इज, अगर आप देखो तो इनका बॉलिंग लाइनअप हमारे बॉलिंग लाइनअप से टोटली डिफरेंट है. यहाँ पे अबरार है और हारिस रऊफ, हसनैन, नसीम शाह, शाहीन शाह अफरीदी, all these, we know these guys. Now what
Right.
they have done is, from the World Cup which played in India, एक बंदा था ओपनर जिसका नाम था अब्दुल्ला शफीक, who got a good 100
True.
against Sri Lanka and played pretty decently, but he lost form and he's given away. So they ये जो फकर जमान है बेचारा, हमेशा रहता है नहीं रहता है, पता नहीं क्या करते हैं. फकर जमान इनका वन ऑफ द मोस्ट बेस्टेस्ट बैट्समैन है इनका व्हाइट बॉल क्रिकेट के लिए, बट उसको पता नहीं इज्जत देने को तैयार ही नहीं है पाकिस्तान. गॉड ओनली नोज, बट बिकॉज अब्दुल्ला शफीक इज नॉट देयर, ही इज देयर. And then this guy Kamran Gulam, and Kamran Gulam is the new test guy who replaced Babar Azam in the series against England, and he's now shown some form. There's one guy called Saeed Ayub, I think Saeed Ayub or somebody who last 5-6 games he's the Virendra Sehwag type batter जो बिल्कुल डरता नहीं है, but he got injured, he's not there in the squad, right? So इनका ये जो अभी ये तायब तहीर, फहीम अशरफ, खुशदिल शाह, सलमान अली आगा के बारे में आई कम बैक टू इट. तैयब तहीर, फहीम अशरफ, खुशदिल शाह और ऑल बिट्स एंड पीसेस प्लेयर्स अकॉर्डिंग टू संजय मंजरेकर्स लैंग्वेज. दे 3 आर दिस थिंग. उनमें से शायद 1 या 2 खेलेगा इसमें. सो बैटिंग काफी, इट्स नॉट इन real good shape. But what has happened is this guy Salman Ali Agha has become the vice captain also, and he's stepped up his game a bit. And in those conditions, all these guys know the conditions well, and they have to Pakistan's credit, they have played some domestic cricket, list A for 50 over cricket, where all these guys have got runs and all. But what is very surprising is they got only one spinner. And then they had two super spinners. One is Numan Ali and one is Sajid Khan. In the test arena, these two have been doing a brilliant job, but उनमें से एक को भी नहीं खिलाया. They're all good finger spinners. पता नहीं मतलब, especially that guy Sajid Khan looks to be a very tough guy. But पता नहीं इनका मतलब इनका दिमाग कैसे चलता है. So any comments? What do you think? I mean,
ये एक्चुअली ये मैं जब देखता हूँ ना, व्हेन आई सी दिस पाकिस्तान स्क्वाड, इट इज क्वाइट एंटी द इंडिया स्क्वाड. इंडिया स्क्वाड में आई थिंक there's a big role which probably the new coach Gambhir has is, you know, getting in players जो मुझे X factor लगा, like Harshit Rana X factor, Akshar Patel in the middle order X factor, you know, he's put in something like that. But पाकिस्तान का जो मुझे लग रहा है ना कि सारे tried and tested superstar सबको लिया गया है. They've hardly blooded anybody, you know, who we think is an exciting talent. None from this, the entire squad is one who's exciting, who India will be very scared of. Shaheen Shah Afridi has lost a bit of his zip. Naseem Shah got whacked the entire tournament they played now. Apart from the last game, he took a couple of wickets. Haris Rauf, I don't even recall him playing. Maybe he played a game or two.
so he played
Abrar Ahmed,
brilliantly against Australia. 3 one-days, he was the player of the series. उसमें 2 बार 5 wickets लिया उसने. So he's
but
in
that was
form.
in Australia.
But
that was in Australia.
In Australia, and he also had the advantage of playing BBL, Big Bash,
Right,
and also those conditions help him. यहाँ slow wicket में वो जिस पेस में डालता है, वो उसके साथ तो बार-बार
So,
उसकी धुलाई बनी.
you know, man for man, this Pakistan 11, even Babar Azam has lost his touch. He's not scoring the big runs. इनका अभी भी backbone है Rizwan and that Salman Agha. Salman Agha for all purposes, अगर Salman Agha India में होता ना, तो at best वो अक्षर पटेल लेवल का प्लेयर होता. Batting a bit, bowling a bit, वैसा वाला. He's not a threatening in any department. He's not a match winner, neither in batting nor in bowling. 350 विकेट्स में खेल रहा, 60-70 रन बना, इज नो बिग डील. अक्षर पटेल भी मार देगा 60-70 रन इन 350 विकेट. सो इनका बैकबोन अभी भी दैट द विकेट कीपर है, मोहम्मद रिजवान है एंड सलमान है. बट प्रॉब्लम है कि द मैच इज इन दुबई, एंड व्हेन यू नो मैचेस हैपन इन दुबई, इंडिया पाकिस्तान, एंटायर फ्लेवर चेंजेस. एंड यू नो often we see India, you know, not giving their best in matches in Dubai. I think that is the one part where I'm wary of. Suppose Pakistan bat first, make 270, 280, आपको लगेगा इंडिया चेस कर लेगा. Suddenly we have a top order collapse and then the match is gone, or vice versa scenario. See, पाकिस्तान ने जो हमें हराया है recent times में, all have been shocks. That Champions Trophy 2017 final was an absolute shock of a result. If you see the league stage, पाकिस्तान कुछ 100 रन से ऊपर से हारा था हमसे. They weren't even a match. Same even in the 150 no loss वाला जो इनका चेस था in the T20 tournament in 2021, India made 150, but it was expected that India will push the Pakistan team hard, but actually उनका एक भी विकेट नहीं गिरा. They actually cantered to 150 no loss. So पाकिस्तान जब जीता है, it actually comes as a big shock on, you know, nobody in India believes कि ये मैच ऐसा हुआ है. So that is one part I'm wary of. Else man to man there's no match. India should decimate Pakistan team I would rank would be the third best team in this group after India and New Zealand.
I think one thing Pakistan has is that, see, politically this Champions Trophy में काफी, you know, off-field news बहुत ज्यादा हो गया. So there is some motivation what Pakistan would have to defeat India. वो करेगा, लेकिन मेरा main problem ही उनका है कि उनका bowling attack ठीक नहीं है. They should have had one more. हाँ, उनका ठीक नहीं लग रहा है. 2 स्पिनर रखना चाहिए था. You play or don't play them according to the condition, but आप एक अबरार को लेके जाओगे नहीं बनेगा. दूसरा, all these guys are there ना, फहीम अशरफ, खुशदिल शाह and तैयब ताहिर. They're not of that pedigree who can push
they are
India.
not they are not international level cricketers actually.
हाँ, उनमें नहीं हो, दम नहीं है. So it all boils down to how. But one thing which I really liked is how Rizwan has captained these guys differently. He's that Sarfaraz kind of captain who's छोटा performance maybe he's able to gather more steam. So ठीक है, देखते हैं. But I think I would still put Rizwan Pakistan to be a top order team, and कोई issue नहीं है. Now I'm just
Rajiv, just one more.
Yeah.
Rajiv, one more thing. Since you spoke about Rizwan का इंटरव्यू क्लिप्स कभी कभार सुन लेना. इंस्टाग्राम में आता है उसका इंटरव्यू क्लिप्स. एक सुन लेना, they are super funny.
Yeah, yeah. I know that. Okay, so now I'm going to Bhaskar. Bhaskar, I'm going to give you a couple of minutes only. Sorry, but काफी time हो गया हमारा. So we have in Group B, we have England, Australia, and South Africa. We think that they are going to be the ones who are going to make it big. But I think Afghanistan, with the kind of ये जितने भी इन लोगों का ये है, Afghanistan also has a good chance. So आप बताएं, आप किसको देख रहे हैं? Whom do you think is any specific thing? मुझे तो लगता है कि ये चारों टीम, if you put New Zealand, India and Pakistan in that group, ये चार टीम उतने लेवल के हैं ही नहीं एक्चुअली. भास्कर.
Yeah, that's true because the only thing that the best thing that would happen is Australia getting knocked out in the league stages, because once they somehow make it to the semi-finals, you know how dangerous they become, whatever team they are. And South Africa, I think, in league stages are very strong at times, so that's what we need to hope for, a strong South African performance in the league stage, so that they reach the semi-finals. So at least we have one team which would probably try to find ways to lose the semi-finals, isn't it?
Good
No,
one.
no other team has found such brilliant ways to get knocked out, like different ways to get knocked out in big matches.
Right, good one.
So I think I would still bet on England and South Africa. Ideally, I would want Afghanistan and South Africa getting through, but I think England and South Africa would be the two teams in the semi-finals.
I think one thing I'll tell you,
Rajiv.
मुझे लगता है कि इंग्लैंड जो इंडिया में, even though they lost very badly, but they have collected enough experience and enough they have played to actually go to the knockouts. क्योंकि उन्होंने they I think they have their personal rivalry with England. तो इंग्लैंड को तो मारेगा ही, सॉरी ऑस्ट्रेलिया को तो मारेगा ही मारेगा. ऑस्ट्रेलिया के पास एक भी शराफत का बॉलर नहीं है एक्सेप्ट जैम्पा. उनके पास एक ढंग का बैट्समैन बॉलर नहीं है. बैटिंग ठीक है, बैटिंग ओके, एंड इन दोस कंडीशंस दे विल anyways find a way to do something. But again, even that batting is dependent on Steven Smith and Travis Head only. बाकी तो मैक्सवेल अब वो सब लेवल पे है ही नहीं. साउथ अफ्रीका का प्रॉब्लम है बॉलिंग. उन्होंने 350 चेस करवा दिया पाकिस्तान से आफ्टर पाकिस्तान वाज 90 फॉर 3. सो दैट इज वेरी पुअर यार. मतलब उस लेवल का मतलब बॉलिंग कौन रखता है? एंड दे गॉट चेस्ड 310 ऑड विद न्यूजीलैंड आल्सो. So they have some problem, but they may chase decently. So you never know. But the team which excites me actually is Afghanistan. Afghanistan is a team who knows these conditions, who can play well, and they are one team whom I feel can defend targets. कुछ भी हो जाए इन लोगों का सब मिलके, राशिद खान, ये सब, this Noor Ahmed and all, they will find a way to you know defend. But yeah, today, by the way, in a practice game, Afghanistan got 305 or 310 against New Zealand with Ibrahim Zadran. No, sorry, Gurbaz making a century at the opening slot. He made 110 of 107 balls. So Afghanistan को लाइट ले ही नहीं सकते. Australia, मुझे on paper Australia looks the most weakest squad in this entire thing. But as you said, they just know how to do things. उनको पता नहीं, उनको कुछ ना कुछ तो दिख ही जाता है उनके लाइफ में ये वो. So I'm coming to the last question. I mean, we have hardly 2-3 minutes to go. So आप अपना top 4 दें. चलो I'll start it. I'll go with India Pakistan from Group A, and I'm going with England and South Africa in Group B. Abhijit?
Yeah, same.
I'm going with India, New Zealand from Group A, and the other group will be Afghanistan and maybe England.
इंग्लैंड का चांस मुझे ज्यादा स्ट्रांग लग रहा है क्योंकि इंग्लैंड इतना बुरा करके गया. बट दे हैव दिस ब्रेंडन क्राइस, दिस गस एटकिंसन, ये जितने भी प्लेयर्स है ना, दे हैव गैदर्ड एनफ दिस थिंग. द ओनली थिंग इज जो रूट हैज टू डू द रोल व्हाट शुभमन गिल और विलियमसन इज डूइंग फॉर न्यूजीलैंड और इवन रिजवान इज डूइंग फॉर पाकिस्तान. ऐसा एक रोल बनना पड़ेगा जो रूट को कि वो आए तो एक 80-90. ही डिड इन वन ऑफ द गेम्स वेयर ही मेड 75-80, बट ही नीड सपोर्ट. मतलब वो इंग्लैंड ऑल आउट हो जा रहा है, मतलब 45 ओवर में ऑल आउट हो जा रहा है. वो थोड़ी कोई, दैट इज नॉट फेयर ना. यू हैव टू प्ले, यू हैव टू गेट टू 40 ओवर्स विद एटलीस्ट 5 विकेट्स इन हैंड, तभी मैच बनेगा, वरना नहीं बनेगा.
Actually, the six matches which India won, There was only
So,
one match which went a bit close. बाकी सब matches India beat them by a big margin.
Yeah, yeah,
But typically क्या होता है, once you go through such a bad series, you get hardened. So
yeah.
they may come up.
Yeah,
and
also,
and and New Zealand, England lost to India in India. So we can't compare
Yeah.
it with the way England will play against South Africa or Afghanistan, isn't it? So
but those conditions again will be similar. फिर ये सबका वही है, जैसे जैसे ये इंडिया के साथ खेलेंगे ना, they have to play in Dubai. They'll play in Pakistan and come to Dubai. वो एक बड़ा एडवांटेज इंडिया को हमेशा रहेगा, बट ठीक है, मतलब ऐसा भी कोई खास एडवांटेज नहीं है। आजकल तो सब लोग सब जगह खेल ही ले रहा है, तो ऐसा कोई, एवरीबडी नोज
Actually,
व्हाट।
Pakistan New Zealand match would be a virtual quarterfinal. I don't know
या इट्स अ
when
वर्चुअल
it is
क्वार्टर फाइनल।
slated.
या इट्स अ
It's
वर्चुअल क्वार्टर
it's a
फाइनल।
virtual quarterfinal.
या
Because New
एंड
Zealand suddenly coming to Dubai, I would put India as favorites for that game.
या
So Pakistan New Zealand one is a big quarterfinal.
करेक्ट करेक्ट। Right, guys, thanks. We had a great discussion. I really appreciate Abhijit, Bhaskar, both of you. Good discussion, and let's hope we crack this Champions Trophy. Let's hope for the best.
Bye.
Bye, bye, bye. IPL का schedule आ गया है।